Hi, this is Sean O'Haron with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today, I'm going to walk you through this beautiful Sea Ray Sundancer 320. 2021. It's got 3 Mercury Verado, 250 horsepower. This is the brand new V8, naturally aspirated, efficient, smooth, quiet. White motor cowlings for the Florida sun, easy maintenance. We've also got beautiful underwater lights and an amazingly gorgeous blue hull. Let me walk you aboard, show you more of the features that your family's just going to love. Once aboard this beautiful boat, you'll see a nice swim platform that we're standing on. Easy to get to all the motors so you can flush them. Huge storage for water toys, lines, fenders, everything you need. Easy gas shocks make it easy to open and shut. As you're stepping further aboard, nice freshwater shower, hot and cold water. Fusion stereo, so when you're sitting back here, you don't have to climb all the way back to the helm to change your station, song, or anything. Inside the cockpit area, you'll notice we've got this nice, soft, snap-in faux teak. Great on the feet, easy to take out to clean. Right here in the center of the cockpit area, brand new electric grill. Easy to clean, easy to adjust the temperature. Great convenient grill. Nice flat surface here for entertaining and a beautiful sink. The cockpit also has air conditioning. Here's the controls for that. That's one of many vents back here. And the cockpit has a full surround curtain. You can see this is the zippers. You can surround this whole area. So on a very hot day in Florida, you can keep it climate controlled and cool. Or on a warm or cold day up north, you could keep it warm. It's a reverse cycle air conditioner. Look at all the seating room you have here. Plenty of room for guests. Plenty of storage underneath the seats. Moving forward, you got an adjustable lounge. So when you want to lounge, put your feet out. Easy to do. While you're underway, you can go ahead and put it back in that position. Easy to use. Coming up to the helm area, dual captain seats with bolsters on each, so captain and mate can decide how they want to sit or stand. Flush-mounted Simrad dual screens. Put your GPS on one screen, your SmartCraft gauges on the other screen. Flip them around any way you want. Flush-mounted Fusion stereo, easy to get to from the helm. Nice, easy to read, push-button controls for your running lights, underwater lights, all the way over to the powered anchor. If you haven't tried fly-by-wire for the new Mercuries, it's been around for a bit, but those of you who haven't, it's very nice instant response throttles, and it's the same all the time since a wire's going back to the engine to tell it what to do. No more adjusting cables. This boat is joystick operated, makes you an expert captain in a very short period of time. Wherever you move that control or twist and move the bow, it goes against the current and the wind, and you don't have to be the expert you did 10 years ago. Skyhook is a button you press that you can keep the boat, both bow and stern, headed in the direction, staying in the direction, waiting for a bridge, waiting for a dock. Another air conditioning vent at the helm for the captain. Before we get to the bow, we've got this beautiful cabin. You can see how deep it is. And once inside, you'll notice plenty of headroom, nice sleeping area forward, television, lots of natural light, and there's an aft cabin that we'll show you through pictures, but the aft cabin sleeps 2 more people and has plenty of storage. Private head with a pull-out shower, so that means you can shower in here. It's a wet head, it'll drain out, but plenty of natural light again, plenty of space, very convenient for a long weekend. Refrigerator and microwave. Makes it very convenient for breakfast or snacks in the afternoon. Coming out on the port side, we've got this very nice, very secure, with rail and pad, walkway to the bow. Once at the bow, you see a continuation of all the rails for safety It's a big advance from the old boats that had the big deck out here and you felt like you were slipping off. Huge lounge, armrests, cup holder, fusion stereo control again, so it's very convenient for 3 guests to sit up here, safely secure while underway. Powered anchor, out of the weather, out of the way. Easy to use remote so you can see how your anchor is coming up or down. And when you're all done, you don't have to trip over it. Spotlight for nice secure at night, easy to control from the helm. This was Sean O'Haron with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I hope you enjoyed your walkthrough of the 320 Dancer, brand new 2021. For additional questions or to set up a private showing, contact me, Sean O'Haron, MarineMax Pompano Beach.